Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about another important topic regarding the projection of solid. Okay, so last lecture series we see about the different types of prism we can place and different types of angle is given. Okay, so in the last class we see that is inclined to HP. We are to discussing only for the prism category, and also we have to certain conditions we have to study. So whenever the parallel edge is parallel to VP or edge is perpendicular to VP, one of the base edge is parallel to VP. Likewise, we have to study the n number of concept in our last lecture series. And today we discussing about pyramid types of category. I have taken for the new type of topic here. I have teach you. What I have to here I have to teach with on a simple example. How to construct the pentagonal pyramid with the axis is a condition is called as a inclined to HP, and also one of the base edge is perpendicular to VP or else one of the corner on HP. So both the conditions or both cases are same problem, the same conditions. Okay, the dimension part only can be changed. Let's consider one simple example. I have to told you. I have to teach you how to construct and how to draw this diagram. Okay, let's consider whenever you're going for the engineering drawing diagram, you have to understand the concept, and also you have to very important what is the data given for that your problem. Okay, let's consider a simple example. Here there is no data for this problem. I have to assume the certain data. So first of all, I have to assume that is a birth that is a base edge is we take us 25 mm. Okay, this is my first data is I am assume. And next one is I have to consider the height of the pyramid is like 70, just for understanding. Okay, so why? Because it's a solid length can be very high, so that only. So 70 mm. So these are the main data, and also the another important data is theta, what angle to be HP. Okay, here I have to take a 45-degree. Okay, so then I have to consider to 45-degree to HP. This is the data is given for this numerical problem. Okay, so first of all, what are the data is given? No, so after that you can consider diagram. Okay, so and then these are the data to consider the diagram, and what is the orientation of the solid I have to place. That is a very much important for while solving the problem. So here I told you, the one of the base edge is perpendicular to VP. This is the base edge. Okay, so whenever you consider, it's a pentagonal pyramid. That is PP. I have to consider it is called as a pentagonal pyramid. Okay, so the pentagon having a five side, you have to mindset. I have to draw the five sides. Okay, and then I have to construct the pyramid types. Okay, these are the data given. I have to assume for this types of problem. Okay, so next step what I have to do. The one of the base edge is perpendicular to VP, or else one of the corner on HP. So these two datas are given in this problem. So what I have to do? So first I have to construct the XY line. So here I have to construct the XY line in a particular line. I have to represent like a XY. Okay. After that, you have to construct this is my vertical plane, this is my horizontal plane. Okay. Then after that, you have to give the minimum space from the reference line. So this line name is called as reference line. You have to keep the maintain the minimum level is like a 15 mm or 20 mm. You keep the minimum level. Okay. And then you have to construct the one perpendicular line. That line is perpendicular to wing. That is the hint can be given. So this is for the orientation of the solid can be placed. Okay, with respect to the plane. That is a condition I have to consider. So what is the base length here? 25 mm. So I have to draw the perpendicular 25 mm length. Okay. After that, what I have to do is, so what is the pentagon angle? I don't know. I know that. Okay. So what is the pentagon angle? Is like a 108. No. So this you have to place the protector here. You're making an angle of 108, and here also you place the corner. Here also 108. Okay. After that, you have to construct the 25 mm line length. Like I have to construct this line, these two lines. Okay. After that, what I have to do? So I have to take the compass and take the measure the value of 25. We already discussing how to construct the pentagon, how to construct the hexagon. With these all the videos are available. Okay, you can see the videos, and you can take the arc and measure the 25 mm length. You place the compass here and mark it as 25 mm arc. Here you have placed the compass the same dimension. You have to make the arc. The two arc meeting point is called as another day. That is another you can join. You got the pentagon. So this is the method to construct the pentagon. Okay. What is the next step I have to do is you have to find out the center point. So I already told you. So whenever you construct the prism types of problem, okay, is need not to find out the center point. It's need not to worry. Okay. Why? Because you have to construct the parallel line. Okay. So that only. But here they have construct the rectangle, triangle. But the prism topic we take as a rectangle, so that no worry about this. But here you have to consider the rectangle. No, so rectangle we have to consider the height value is very important. Whenever you consider height value, you need to the center point is very foremost important. So that one day. So what I have to do here? So I have to find out the center of the pentagon. How to consider the pentagon? So whenever you count the corner, they draw the opposite line. I take the another color for understanding purpose. Just here. So this is the corner line. I have to consider the opposite line. Similarly, you have to draw the corner line and opposite line. Similarly, you have to do it. Okay. When you have to find out the exact center point of the solid. Okay. This is the center point of the given solid. Okay. After that, what you have to do? So you have to construct the vertical line. Okay. From the reference. Okay. Then before that, you give a name for understanding. Okay. So what is the name you have to given? Like A, B, C, D. I have to constructing A, B, C, D, E. Okay. After that, you have to construct the projection lines. So here I have to draw the projection line in a green color. So in each and every corner, you have to project the line from the towards the reference line. So once it's like a E and A, you have to draw the projection line, and B and D, you have to draw the projection line. C also you have to project this projection line. So you got here A dash, E dash. Now here B dash, D dash here. Okay. Then C is coming here. C dash. Okay. You draw the completing this diagram. This is the base length of the this solid. Okay. So how to consider the base length? How to find out the base length means this is the base length of your given solid. Okay. Then you give the name. Here bracket meaning is called as the inside. Okay. That is the meaning is here, but you not reference it is not important. Don't worry. Then after that, you have to consider the height of the solid. What is the height of the solid is given? I have to consider is like a 70 mm. Okay. So that what is the center point? This is the center point. Now we have to construct the 70 mm line length. Okay. So you take the scale, you mark it as a 70 mm, you mark it as a O dash. So here the point is O. No. So here the point is O. Yes, here the point is O. So here the O dash. Okay, from the height you have to measure the line length is called as a 70 mm. So this is the total length is called as a 70 mm. This is the length. Okay, this is the height value is given in a 70 mm. So that you mark it as a 70 mm. Then after that, what you have to do? So this is the 25 mm length. So just I have to consider in the 25 mm. Similar. Okay, 25 mm. Yes. So the next step is what you have to do. You measure the height value. What is the height value here? That is a 70 mm height. Okay. After that, you join in the all the corners. Okay, like A dash joining with O dash, C dash is joining with O dash, B dash is joining with O dash, and similar the center point also. So you got the front view of the given solid. Okay. So this is the first step. This is my second step. Okay. The third step we have to continue in next class.